Atlas Copco is a global leader in bringing solutions and services to the oil and gas industry on their job sites around the world. With our global network of offices and service technicians, we can serve customers in every country on Earth. The sun never sets on Atlas Copco operations. A world leader in compressed air solutions, a presence in more than 160 markets and an extensive global service network. Highly trained personnel for onshore and offshore projects, from upstream to downstream applications. These are just a few of the benefits of working with Atlas Copco.
From the well all the way to the gas station, offshore and onshore, Atlas Copco engineers special equipment for a wide range of applications in the oil and gas industry. We provide standard or customized equipment solutions delivering instrument air, utility air, and nitrogen generation feed air. We also provide drying and filtration systems for applications such as pneumatic controls of valves and instruments, and also for purging applications. All development for our complete instrument and utility air product portfolio is done in-house. The design, the customization according to customer specifications, the engineering, the production and assembly are all under one roof. This ensures we can control quality, reliability, performance, and compliance to customer and contractor specifications. It also means our customers have one point of contact. Instrument air packages can be supplied either in a container or in a skid frame. This allows for easy installation and delivery at site with minimal interface connection points. Let's have a look at the first example of an instrument air package, where the key customizations are highlighted.
This is a 20-foot container package for a Zone 2 classification area, suitable for both offshore and onshore installations. In this particular case, special attention is given to compliance to instrumentation, armored cabling, explosion-proof controls, motor classification, 316L tubing, piping and ventilation. This is a 20-foot container package of two 100% trains, each with a GA90 compressor of 90 kW and a CD65 Plus desiccant dryer for pressure dew points down to minus 40 degrees centigrade. The filters and condensate drains all have interconnected welded piping and valves. The power distribution and the wiring is integrated in the base frame of the container for safety and accessibility of other equipment. The compressors will operate in a lead-lag configuration where there is a selector switch to determine the lead compressor on the power distribution panel. Should the lead compressor fail, the electronic control panel is set up automatically to switch the lag compressor to lead.
This 20-foot container package demonstrates the many ways in which Atlas Copco offers tailor-made solutions to each individual client. In this case, for example, even the air receivers were painted according to client specification. They're equipped with a manhole with 300-pound flanched 316 stainless steel pressure indicators and level gauge. Inside the container, there are 316 stainless steel pre-filters, flanged and welded piping. The dryer has 3mm corrosion allowance towers. It too was painted according to client specification. The electronicon controller is located in a flame-proof control cubicle. The instrumentation included in the package includes 316 stainless steel, 4 to 20 milliamp pressure, temperature and pressure differential transmitters. They come complete with 3 or 5-way block and bleed manifolds for safe maintenance, calibration or replacement. The corresponding cable glands are made out of 316 stainless steel material. The solenoid valves are EEXD, which means they're explosion-proof rated. The compressor drivetrain consists of a highly efficient motor and screw element combination, delivering reliable peak performance. The compressor motors are cast iron, IP56 certified EEXN, non-sparking. All power and signal cabling inside this package is armoured and flame retardant in accordance with the area classification and safety requirements. The list goes on. High resistance coated element casing, air oil separator, gear casing and compressor canopy. 316 stainless steel flexible connections inside the compressor canopy with stainless steel tubing. And finally, Teflon coated air and oil coolers were provided for use in salt-laden environments.
Atlas Copco is convinced that our own success is directly linked to the success of our customers, whether that is an EPC contractor or an end user. That is why we always go the extra mile to provide the best possible know-how and technology. Our experienced proposal engineers and designers work together with our valued customers to provide the best solution or configuration for each individual customer. During the design phase, special attention is given to the control philosophy, the maintenance access, the availability of air, and the compliance to project specifications. Upon request, a three-dimensional model is created to visualize the practical size of the package, the routing of cable trays, the center of gravity, etc. We also make sure that the minimal installation is necessary at site to allow for quick startup and commissioning. Now let's take a look at another example of Atlas Copco's design capabilities.
This example is a typical complete instrument air skid package, which contains 3 compressors in a lead, lag, and standby configuration. It was built according to the specification requirements of our client. The skid will be located onshore in a remote location, in a classified safe area in the Middle East. Because of the remote location, the availability and reliability of instrument air is paramount. The standalone PLC will regulate the redundancy in terms of processing and power supply. Due to the high ambient conditions and the remote location, membrane dryers have been used. This was done because dew point suppression and ease of maintenance was requested. The use of cyclone filters for pre-filtration in a dusty environment increases the reliability of the compressor. Customization has been done on the motor, the piping material, the control logic, and the instrumentation and the documentation. The result is this package, built to our customer specification and to his satisfaction.
This skid package is yet another example of Atlas Copco's dedication to detail. Take the polyurethane coated explosion-proof 4 to 20 milliamps pressure differential transmitters, for example. They measure pressure drops across each train of pre-filters. Located inside the compressor are explosion-proof pressure and temperature transmitters with a local LCD for on-the-spot identification of measured values. The skid-mounted 316 stainless steel and IP65 rated local control panel has an amp meter per motor and status indication lamps. The cabling is armoured and flame retardant. There are 3 50% duty trains of SD membrane dryers manifolded to flanged and welded piping. They provide dry instrument air. The base frame of the skid is covered with 5mm aluminium tear plate to avoid slipping. Throughout the package, 150-pound flanged ball valves are used. Armoured and flame retardant cabling is routed through closed cable trays. Also, stainless steel tubing with electronic drains for condensate management was included. We included an IP55 fan motor with ducting and cubical vortex cooler for increased reliability. The flanged common single-point interface allows easy connection to the client's piping. This minimizes installation requirements on site. Special attention was given to the piping layout and material. 316 stainless steel or galvanized carbon steel were used in order to minimize pressure drops while accessibility is optimized. Each dryer drain has its dedicated pre-filters to increase the quality of air going into the dryer. This prolongs the lifetime of the membrane dryers.
Applications such as pneumatic controls on the platform, sandblasting metal components, cleaning vessels and pipes, or kickstarting your mechanical rotating equipment, you always need air. Atlas Copco has the equipment and the expertise to lend a helping hand. We put our experience at the service of the oil and gas industry. Our solutions ensure availability of instrument air, and they keep the uptime of your plant optimal by providing the necessary high-quality compressed air. Atlas Copco offers the oil and gas industry sustainable productivity.